Now I call upon Sri Binay Vishwam.
Thank you, sir. Sir, this bill, in my opinion, needs to be improved. So I request the House to send this bill to the Select Committee to make it more meaningful and more powerful. Sir, we always speak a lot about the rights of the women. And women empowerment is the nice words that we always listen to. Half the earth, half the sky is meant for the women. Very nice words to hear. But in fact, even in the womb of her mother, women in this society is not safe. They are even killed in this society. Such a male-dominated society in which the patriarchal values are very much on the upper hand, this bill also to be reviewed in such a background. Sir, I feel that certain elements are to be considered. And the most important thing is that the unequivocal right of a woman to seek an abortion, that is unquestionable. In this bill, that part is forgotten. So this 2014 draft bill in this regards has to be taken into account. In that draft, it was mentioned this right of the woman to decide upon her pregnancy. So in a very important case in Sujita Srivastava versus Chandigarh administration in 2009, the Supreme Court made a verdict. It says that the reproductive choice of a woman can be exercised not only in procreation, but even to abstain from procreation. That's the most important thing. She can abstain also in certain grounds of her own choice. She has the right to abstain from pregnancy, reproduction. That right has to be upheld in the modern times. But this bill hesitates to uphold such kind of values which gives equal share for the womanhood. So talking a lot about womanhood is not necessary. It's not a must. It's not what we need today. We need today is that to accept the reality that women should be treated in equal terms along with man, which is not a true case in Indian politics, Indian society, Indian value system. And that value system has its say on this draft bill also. That's why I feel that we have to send this to a Select Committee. Sir, what is sexual autonomy? It has a say on every aspect of women's decision on sexual matters, which includes the matters linked to reproduction, and decisive autonomy is also important. Decision making is a woman's right, not the right of a medical board. A medical board controlled by some superhuman people, you call them experts or medical science. Maybe experts they may be, but no such bodies are to be imposed upon the woman's rights. On these matters, the final word should be of that woman, and that has to be upheld. With this view, I recommend the Minister very earnestly that please think of send this bill to the Select Committee. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Vishwamji.